Hi, I'm Samantha Kermode, Senior Marketing Consultant, and I'm very excited to announce that I will be speaking at Digital Summit Austin on June 4th and June 5th. We're going to be talking all about the customer journey, how to know what creative assets to produce, how then to promote and reach the right audience for your business, and then ultimately build an audience that your company owns. So what's an owned audience? That's a great question, and we're going to walk you through those steps as well as provide some real-life examples. Everybody wants to know how Dollar Shave Club sold their business to Unilever for $1 billion. So come join us, buy your tickets now for Digital Summit Austin, and I'll see you there.